Need serious power? Let's build it. Today, we're assembling a 300 Amp Camlock extension connector. Step by step, no fluff, all function. Let's get wired. Today, we're diving into the guts of power, assembling a 300 amperes Camlock extension connector that's built to handle serious current. Whether you're powering a stage, a facility, or a backup system, this beast needs to be tight, safe, and clean. Let's get to work. Start by measuring your cable jacket diameter and matching it to the connector boot. Cut the jacket cleanly. No frayed edges, no guesswork. We want precision here. Wrap the copper shim snugly around the conductor and strain relief wire. Slide the bundle deep into the brass contact. Don't baby it. Then tighten the set screws with a hex wrench. Torque matters. This is where power meets precision. Align the positioning hole and secure the retaining screw. If it doesn't thread properly, swap it. Don't force it. A stripped screw here is a future headache. Final assembly and inspection. Slide the boot over the connector, check for snug fit, and inspect every joint. No gaps, no loose ends. This connector is going to carry serious juice. Treat it like a high-voltage handshake. Connector ready for action. And there you have it, a 300 Amp Camlock extension connector, assembled with grit and precision. Ready to power up your next big job.
Welcome to Bigfoot's Grip and Lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.